How's it, guys? Welcome back to the channel. You join me today doing quite a dirty job. As I've indicated to you, my car's on 24,000 Ks now, and I felt it necessary to swap the wheels from back to front again, and also clean the inside of the wheels as well as clean the inside of the arches. Now obviously I wash the inside of the arches with every wash. My car gets washed once, sometimes twice a week, so I want to show you what the results thereof is, and also what my car looks like under the skin for now. Okay guys, this is what it looks like in the wheel arch. This is, you can see here, I cannot reach this because it's behind the wheel. And clean. I want to show you what the inside of the wheels looks. Unfortunately, I've sprayed it with degreaser now, so it looks actually dirtier than it was. But look at this, guys. Why is my wheel so clean? Because I use this wheel woolly. So you push it in from the front and you push it in and you clean the inside of the wheels. Then you go to the next spoke, you wash it inside. This I bought for myself the moment that I bought this car. So you can see the wheels are not that bad at all. So I'm going to scrub them now, and then I'm going to scrub the inside of the wheel arches, front and back, swap the tires, put them back on. Okay, so you're catching me here washing the center caps as well as the wheels. So what you want to do here is get a nice stiff bristle brush. Oh, by the way, this is my son, Xander. His name is Xander. He's always outside with me working on whatever we're working on. So a stiff bristle brush for the tires, not for the rims. Especially you guys with the HEVs. I'm not sure about all the countries around the world, but here they come with black wheels. Gloss black wheels, to be honest with you, is a nightmare to keep clean. This will scratch the living daylights out of them. Never wash your wheels with hard brushes, never. Not even those with a steel inner part that's wrapped like that. Please do yourself a favor, don't ever use those on your wheels. You use a mitt like this on your wheels. You can even use a normal car wash mitt. Wheel woolies are great, they work perfectly well, like the one I've showed you this morning, like the one I've shown you earlier. You get shorter ones, longer ones, wider ones. You get those that goes on your hand. So use the bristle brush for the tires and the mitts for the wheels. Also, after these wheels are washed, they get a wax coating on them. I always, afterwards, I'll go for the Geon wet coat. Guys, beautiful product. The water just falls off it. Beautiful. I love that. So that's it. Okay. If you are planning on doing this, and you're doing it like I'm showing you, do yourself a favor. While you're doing this, clean this inside these wheel lugs. Previously, on my other cars, I have always used a little brush to go in there. But on this car, I've realized very quickly that this black paint is very soft. So the brush that I used on my previous cars with silver wheels, it doesn't cut it on this car. Luckily for us, this car has those caps that goes over the wheel lugs. So you don't easily see dust that has accumulated inside the wheel lug holes, luckily. But it is something that requires attention and that you need to do. So yeah. Right, so I've washed the wheels now, and what's going to happen now is, and I always do this, and we also do it even when they are on the vehicle, these tires love to chow little stones. So what we do, let me show you. There's a stone, there's a stone, there's stones everywhere. You see, so
How's it, guys? I'm just gonna use a flat screwdriver to remove all the tiny stones.
okay, so that we usually do. So you have to do them one by one, then rotate, then do them one by one. It's quite a tedious job, but hey, it needs to get done, eh? Okay guys, look at the rim, on the surface of the rim. Look what it does with the water. Look at that one. Okay, you see it is still water repellent. I'm going to show you on this little channel of mine, magic. So what I'm going to show you is Geon wet coat. Guys, this is an absolute world-class product. It's brilliant. I love Geon products. There it is, Geon. G-Y-E-O-N. Geon wet coat. Okay, so what you do with this, just spray it fine mist. You are supposed to spray less than that on the wheel. Take your hose pipe. I always spray fine mist just to get it to spread, and then I'll go in a stream of water to it. Look at the water on that rim now. Look at this panel here, this panel here. Look at what the water does. And it's gone, you see. Now guys, because of that, your rim stays clean longer. Say it's raining, roads are dirty with road dirt when it rains. The road dirt doesn't affect the wheels as much because it just washes off. Guys, don't get me wrong, they still get dirty, but not as much and not as quickly. Cool. Okay guys, these are the wheels that I've just taken off the car. Okay, remember the wheels has not been washed. Okay, alright, so front wheel will now become back wheel will now become front wheel. Alright, here you can see the wheel, what the wheel looks like. Guys, remember, now this is after 24,000 kilos, okay? I've done this job once before, which was on 8,000 Ks. That's quite a while back. Yeah, the wheel is a bit dirty, as you can see, but now it's clean. So, this is what the wheels look like. Guys, also show you how little the hybrid uses the brake pads itself. That's one thing that I have noticed with this car. The brake pad shows very, very little wear. So that's one thing to keep in mind. The regen does a lot of the braking for you. But yeah, I just wanted to show that's what the wheels look like inside before any washing. So yeah, keep your car clean properly and this will be the result. Okay guys, here's the center cap drying off. Beautifully clean. Just took it out of the water. Now, have a look at this wheel. Now you can see on the inside what that looks like. You see the barrel of the rim. You see? And it always looks like that because I clean the barrel every single time that I wash the wheel. You see? You see there's still a little bit of a mark, but that's going to get covered up by those plastic caps. Now look at these wheels, guys. They're absolutely beautiful. And what I'll do is I wipe them off with these rags, these soft rags, and these are not the car wash ones. That's for my wheels specifically. And what do I use? Geon Quick Detailer. When I dry them, I spray the wheels with Quick Detailer, or I spray the rag, one spray on the rag, and I dry them. So once I put center cap on and I put tire shine on this wheel, it's going to look absolutely beautiful. Here we go. Remember, the car itself isn't washed yet. I think you guys get the idea what my car usually looks like. I spent some extra time in the arches while the wheels were out. So there you go. Wheels are assembled, tires are polished. When you either take your car to the car wash or when you do it yourself, make sure that those wheel arches are washed. They get very dirty and they get stained. That's the problem. They stain badly. Okay. Here's my Accord. You'll see that shortly. I'm going to start videoing that one as well. Let's do this. There you go. I think you get a better idea of what my car usually looks like. Spent some serious quality time with those today. My back is broken, but it paid off. I think it paid off well. Okay guys, that's it for today. Until I catch you in the next one, stay safe, take care, sweet, enjoy, cheers.